Convince yourself you're a hero. Wake up pt2, just like Juan Cortez.
This is a fucking waste of time.
Can you whistle?
What?
Nah, you can't whistle.
He was more dead anyway. The fuck?
See, Guapo is in love with you. I ruined the only copy of my book. Bueno, mis socios, vámonos. Once again, we have outstayed our welcome.
Find out what that was. Report back to me. Cover me! I'm moving!
Okay, we're fucking army. Drunk, but I'm not that drunk.
Right behind you, old man.
Guapo wants to be your friend. Or maybe he just needs to take a dump.
Only one way to find out.
Come on, let's get the fuck out of here. I can tell you handled a gun before. What's your name? I got more fucking X's than your porn search history. Some men, they break eggs for breakfast. But Juan Cortez, he breaks fucking countries. Hold up. New plan, Danny. Vamos.
The plan is to go back to Clara's camp. Where the hell are we going now?
See that smoke? That means the watchtower just got a supply drop with some of the rarest materials we find in Yara. And you are going to go get it.
Now you want me to steal shit for you?
Put the weapon down. Mira!
don't know your shit, Juan. Son palabras sabias de nuestro valiente presidente.
Okay, we got more than enough. Let's get the fuck out of here. Patience, Danny. Rule number 8. A guerrilla knows how to wait. Like a spider or a serial killer. So, how did you get to this godforsaken hellhole? Yeah. And I came here in a chopper in our baby invasion of Santuario. Shot straight out of the goddamn sky. No, I mean, what's your story? Rule 20. Once a guerrilla, always a guerrilla. Too late. The horse is out of the barn and now the fucking cocaine is all over the kids, Danny. There is no other option. Of course. And you think Americans want your Yaran blood? The American dream is for Americans, Danny. Nope. Guapo hates quitters. Guapo goes with those who need him most. Like those therapy dogs in your precious America. You can trust Guapo with your life. You got time. So I can fly you to the Yankees? It's grounded, but I'm working on it. Patience, Danny. Now it's time for Juan Cortez to show you how to make something out of nothing. Did I ever tell you rule number 9? Always use the right tool for the right job. Words to live by.
How many of it?
Time you learn about resolver, Danny.
When I was 6, I rigged my first bike with a chainsaw motor. The blockade means I have to resolver every day, Juan.
Nah, that's survival. For a guerrilla, resolver isn't just making do with what you have. It's inflicting chaos with everything you've got.
Keep talking.
Let's take a crack at those weapons. No offense, but your battle rifle is a little basic. Let's fix that. Rule number 9. Always use the right... Sometimes I lie awake at night asking myself, excellent, Danny. Now you can pop enemy flesh like a ripe watermelon. Okay? Let's look at your other right. Let's say your target remembered to wear their helmet and vest today. You're gonna need some armor-piercing rounds. These rounds fly straight and true. Nice! Now you got your own supply of high-velocity war crimes. Let's look at your attachments. Time to make your very first suppressor. This will turn a bang into a... See how easy that was? Now you can silently headshot your enemies like a real asshole. The workbench is your friend, Danny. A friend with benefits. Go ahead, Danny. Get cozy with it.
Damn. Making shit is addictive.
With that workbench, you can build a new Yara. Danny, I've got big plans. Easy as smoking a cigar on